Hello, hi, namaste, welcome to our obviously not yet favorite YouTube channel. It's a girl with wrinkles and pimples. As I say, grab something from your kitchen because my video is going to be super fun. So I was binge watching someone's content on YouTube, obviously makeup videos. Whose videos? You know her. Let everyone listen. Okay, so I was watching Miss Darcy's YouTube channel and I came to know that this girl is obsessed with Korean makeup, and I was like, being an Indian, I also want to see how this makeup looks on me, so this is the video for it. So I sat down and started searching about Korean makeup tutorials, and the second video that came in front of me was Slava's Korean makeup, which was amazing. But then I saw many other YouTube videos, but I did not like anyone's for my video, and then I thought to select this girl's channel, but then I realized whatever product she was using in this video, I did not even have anything close to her because my pockets are empty. I mean, at least now. Then I thought to recreate the makeup of same girl that Slava did in her video. Okay, so this girl's name is Anda. First of all, she's so cute. I mean, she's just like that doll I used to play when I was kid. You still play with Barbie dolls. Don't put your dirty hands on my doll. So she's starting with cushion foundation. I don't have that, so I will go with my sugar stick. But before that, I see that this girl had some dark spots before it gets covered by her cushion foundation. My sugar stick does not give that much coverage. I mean, my dark spots are so dark that they can be seen in dark. Really? I've never used cushion foundation, but I have seen in their videos that their foundation are extremely light, and guys, you know I'm a poor YouTuber. Who said you are poor? I am myself. You have 100 options for outfit, handbag, sandals. So what? You also have? I don't even have extra pair of undergarments. What? Sometimes when my pants don't dry, I turn them inside out and wear them again. Mom, can you call him? This is contour. I'm going with my contour stick. Again, I feel like this video is all about me using stock of sticks. Normally we do contour in this part, but she's doing upside down so that face can look thinner. I will first do my half face, so that we can see difference like this. The most annoying thing after my best friend is this tiny hairs. Can you guys see difference? Let me know in the comments below if you saw what I saw, the difference. And she also makes a triangle here. I was not expecting this place. A little bit of this. My nose is looking so sharp. Everything is okay about contouring, but contouring this part is making me feel like I just had oily food and I have not cleaned my face. Enough contouring for today. Next, eyebrow pencil. I do have eyebrow pencil now, which I yesterday got from my aunt. This is it. Isn't this color so pretty? I got this from Zudio. Honestly, I have never done eyebrows with eyebrow pencil, but if you see, her eyebrow is straight and my eyebrows have point because I love pointy things. That came out wrong. Naturally, my eyebrows are black, so I have to apply a little black shade too. I think that I have added a little bit too much, but it's okay. I love too much when it comes to makeup, not when it comes to friendship. Okay, so eyeshadow part has been started. She applies to the inner corner and then she continues that line to the outer corner. When I was practicing for this eyeshadow, I noticed that Korean girls' eye shape naturally make it easier to create that triangular gap in between, and my eye shape is so different that after trying 2 to 3 times, that gap was impossible for me to make, and at this point I came to know that I did something wrong. Blending my eyeshadows with a brand new brush. I need a flat brush for this part, but I don't have that size of brush, so either I have this or I have this. Look at the difference. I don't have the middle one. I'll go with this tiny one. I found that this part is called as Aegyosal, which is considered cute as a beauty feature in South Korea. I never knew that. Why do I look depressed? Do I look like panda? You look exhausted. I am tired of you. Close the door. Am I going to look like this in this video? A brown mascara? I have a black one which is not even mine. Brown mascara will take years to reach me. I just remembered that my mom got me a new mascara and I forgot about that. This is it. Then she goes with a tiny wing. That has to be easy. She joins this line to the liner, I guess. I don't have that sketch pen liner. This is not going to work like her. I don't think this is going to be a perfect Korean makeup. There is no going back. Now that black dot is optional, I guess, but I want to do it. So I already have a dot, a mole here. So I will make that dot in this part. Glitter palette is far away from me, so I will go with highlighter. Why not? Using a cream blush, at least I have a cream blush. That's too much. I will take it into the eye. I found out this blush really looks cute. Even if you're not like me. Can you look at the cuteness? For highlighter, I'm going with the same brush. I blended my eyeshadows with. Of the nose, here, mustache, inner corners. Hey, it's time for lipstick. Luna.
सफल अगर बनना है दूना शान से बोलो चल मेरे लूना.
Application of Korean lipstick is very interesting. If you want to save your lipstick, you should apply it this way. There is no proper boundary for Korean lipstick style. This girl have bangs and I have my artificial bangs. So I have never used it. This. I will do a middle partition. This is so cool. Do I look like Korean?
No.
I was not expecting, but it turned out super cute. I have to say Korean makeup does suit me, but doesn't mean that I will do it again. These bangs were game changer and the blush is super cute. Blush looks so cute, guys. You have to try it. This liner is similar to what I did in Kylie Jenner's video. Do check it out. It was hilarious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Lots of love. Bye.